Thanks, Chuck. Next on Eyewitness News this morning, teachers head back to the classroom learning how to build high-tech tools. That story's next.
Science and technology can be a very dry subject for lots of kids and adults. The challenge is, though, to make it exciting.
Well, a group of teachers from the metropolitan area is trying to meet that challenge by learning some new tools to put into practice what they teach. These tiny robots were put together from scratch, built by this proud group of high school teachers who went back to school to learn how to do it.
I don't have any background in robotics at all. As a teacher, I don't see much of this during the 10 months of the year.
They're math, physics, and science teachers from the tri-state area who are taking part in a program on smart technology at Polytechnic University. Since the best way to learn is by doing, the teachers are trying to build experimental smart products.
An experiment that they can work with, play with, and they also see the technology which has been used to design that experiment.
As we do it, we're piecing together the book learning we've done into a hands-on thing, and that's what helps.
It's hard not to see some of the things that are going on in this room and get a little bit giddy about them.
But this is not just about having fun. The teachers are expected to take back what they learn here and use it in their classrooms.
In Midway, we'll be starting a robotics class in the fall, and I'm going to use most of what I learned here to bring back.
They also pair up and work on group experiments.
This is going to be a toy to help children tell time.
The clock is ticking. They have 2 weeks to figure it out. Over here, a miniature smart highway that can stop a speeding car. The experiment will teach them about speed and motion.
When they could see that this is actually being applied for everyday uses for society as a whole, then they're more likely to want to learn it.
This project will show kids the theory behind projectile motion.
It's one thing to talk about on the board, it's another thing to show it or to even have them build it.
We want the high school students to be enthusiastic, to be informed about technology careers, what technology can do for their future.
Very cool.
That's neat.
Plus you can practice your putting with that thing and you're shooting projectiles over.
Wow. Up next, look at top story.